Hi, this is Rakesh Chaudhary. Now I am explaining about uh, seventh experiment in operating systems lab. Uh, the title of this experiment is uh, reader writer problem and producer consumer problem. The aim of this experiment is to write the program to implement the reader writer problem and producer consumer problem. Uh, in reader writer problem, the reader writer problem relates to an object such as a file that is shared between two multiple processes. Some of these processes are readers, that is, they only want to read the data from the object, and some of the processes are writers, that is, they want to write into the object. That is, the reader writers problem is used to manage synchronization so that there are no problems with the object data. Producer consumer problem. The producer consumer problem is a synchronization problem. There is a fixed size buffer and the producer produces items and enters them into the buffer. The consumer removes the items from the buffer and consumes them. A producer should not produce items into the buffer when the consumer is consuming an item from the buffer and vice versa. So the buffer should only be accessed by the producer or customer at a time. Now this is the reader writer problem. I will explain in a short procedure. Hash include iostream, hash include semaphore.h, hash include p3.h, hash include bits slash std c++.h. Using namespace standard sem underscore t write comma mix semicolon uh, int cnt equals to 1, int number reader equals to 0, void writer of void into wno, int I equals to into int I into wno, uh, semicolon sem underscore wait and open brackets and void right close semicolon. Uh, cnt equals to cnt into 2 cout writer less than I less than uh, double quotes semicolon modified count to uh, semicolon less than cat less than uh, under double quotes bar in sem post and write void into reader void r number int I equals to into in brackets int into r number sem weight of and mx num reader displays if num reader equals to 1 sem weight sem post into and mx cout reader I read count as cnt in if num reader equals to 0 sem post wrt pthread exit call int main pthread read of 10 write of 5 sem int sem init int for loop will use for loops 4 times and semdestroy command return 0. This is the reader writer program. Now I will tell about the uh, producer consumer problem. Same starting int mutex equals to 1, full equals to 0, empty equals to 5, x equals to 0, semicolon, uh, int weight, int n, int s, open brackets, return s minus minus s, int signal of int s, return of s plus s, void producer mutex equals to weight of mutex, full equals to signal of full, empty equals to weight of empty, x plus plus cout producer produces the item x endl, mutex equals to signal of mutex, void consumer mutex equals to weight of mutex, full equals to weight of full, empty equals to signal of empty, cout consumer consumes item x endl, x minus minus mutex equals to signal of mutex, int main, int n, cout producer consumer exit, while one cout enter your choice, enter your choice, c in n, switch off n, s1 if mutex equals to 1, and empty equals to 1, producer, else cout buffer is full, break if mutex equals to 1 and full equals to 1, then consumer, else cout buffer is empty, break if exit of 0, break return 0. This is the producer consumer problem. Now I will uh, run the reader and writer program. The output will be like this: reader 1, read count as 1, reader 2, read count as 2, reader 4, read count as 1, reader 3 and reader 9, read count as 1, reader 6, count as 1, reader 10, count as 1, reader 8. Like this it will count as writer modified count to 2, writer 2 modified count to 4, writer 3 modified count to 8, writer 4 modified count to 16, writer 5 modified count to 32, writer modified count is like 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, like this it will be come in producer consumer problem. I will run the program. First enter your choice, producer, enter your producer produces the item 1, enter your choice 2, consumer consumes the item 1, uh, now enter your choice 3, exit, press any key to continue. This is the seventh problem, seventh experiment, uh, reader and writer problem and producer and consumer problem. Thank you. The result is verified successfully.